crocheting the same kind of crochet project because you've never learned to read a crochet pattern? There are so many gorgeous patterns out there to crochet and enjoy, like these. I've been reading, writing, and editing crochet patterns for many years, and I'm looking forward to helping others learn to read and follow them as well. Hi, my name is Susan Lohman, and I'm the Crochet Architect. I've been crocheting for over 45 years, and I love everything to do with crochet. I'm excited to tell you that I'll be teaching some crochet classes at the annual conference of the Crochet Guild of America in July. This will be an online conference this year because of the pandemic, so you can take classes in the comfort of your own home. One of the classes I'll be teaching is reading and understanding crochet patterns. This will be a 3-hour class held on Monday, July 26th from 1 to 4 p.m. Central Time. In this class, you'll learn crochet abbreviations and terms, such as right-hand side, left-hand side, right side, wrong side, and lots more. You'll learn how to work repeats with asterisks, parentheses, and brackets. You'll also learn how to know where to work your stitches, such as in the top of the stitch, around the post of the stitch, in the front loop or the back loop, in a chain space, or in a chain itself. We'll discuss the rules for turning chains, along with the differences between US and UK crochet terms. You'll even learn some hints and tips to improve your crochet work and help you keep track of where you are in the pattern. After you learn to read a pattern, you'll put your pattern reading skills to work in class while crocheting some small swatches and some projects. For more information about this class and all the other crochet classes being offered at the CGOA conference, check the video description below. I look forward to seeing you in class and sharing my knowledge of reading and understanding crochet patterns with you.